How to edit a tweet. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll guide you on how you can edit a tweet on Twitter app. Now to do so is quite simple and quite easy, so let me guide you. First, what you want to do is open up the Twitter app and make sure you're logged into your account. You'll get an interface like this. Now tap on the profile icon at the top left corner of your screen and then head into profile option, and you'll be able to view your profile, and under tweets you can see all your tweets. Now here you can see I don't have a tweet, but I just posted a tweet here just a few seconds ago to make this video. So here I've already posted the tweet. Now to edit a tweet, what you want to do is tap on the tweet and this will open up. Tap on the three dots option that you can see beside your username on the tweet. Here you can see the three dots option, tap on it, and here you'll be able to edit it. Tap on edit with Twitter Blue and you'll have to get the early access to edit tweet with Twitter Blue. Now remember, you'll have to get this here, so tap on get more info and you'll have to purchase this in order to be able to edit a tweet. So this is the only way, there is no any other option. As you can see, you can pin to top, you can, or if you don't want to buy it, what you can do is you can simply delete the tweet and then post the tweet again after you have made some additional changes. So this way you can edit a tweet on Twitter. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.